take the lift up or did you pedal up? I took the lift up. I was debating it. I was like, you know what? I got an e-bike. Yeah, they didn't. Reason I asked is they were fucking shops about people taking. Actually, Mike, you want to do that same loop you did with Jess? Is that cool?
Yeah, we didn't do too many jumps though. Like it was more of a.
Oh, was it narrower?
Well, no, it was more flowy.
All right. Well, I don't know.
Just do you. Like we didn't do the bottom section of jumps. Woo! I'm trying to learn on this thing not to lean forward at all.
Dude, attack position, ass back.
Ass back, yeah.
Ass back.
It's so much different.
Elbows out. And the thing with the jumps, and I mean, look, I'm no expert because I'm just learning this. You don't want to touch the brakes in the transition into a jump because it shifts your weight forward. Yeah, never. Even though you don't.
Yeah, no, I got you. Makes sense.
Yeah.
I just got to get past that.
Adjust your speed long before you hit the lip. Yeah. And then just go with it. And it's. And as you get better at it, you can, you know, if you're realizing halfway through the jump you're going a little too fast, you can scrub up a little speed in midair, but that's a bit of an advance.
You can. You can.
You have some sort of a parachute?
Yeah, I sell you.
It's a, yeah, you gotta.
No, I need a few more years, I think. It's cool.
You're gonna get there, Mike. Yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Give me a sec. Motherfucker. I swear I got stung by something.
Oh, really?
I went like this, and the next thing I know, I'm going over the handlebars. Look at me, I'm fucking, I ended up in a ravine.
Oh, you crashed again?
Yeah, I'm good.
I feel bad, I'm like killing you.
The bee sting hurts more, whatever this fucking thing is.
Bee sting? When did you get stung by a bee? Oh, apparently. You right?
Give me a sec.
You want to check your bike out?
Well, I think the bike's cool. My face might not be cool.
You get stung when you went into the ravine?
No, I was started.
That's why he went into the ravine.
No, yeah, because I was like, I gotta check my. I wanted to make sure it wasn't like still on me, so I went to swipe and I just carried left.
This shock is hot. Huh? Something like that.
Oh man. Yeah, I don't know what stung me, but that fucking hurts as fuck.
Yellow jacket or
yeah,
something?
you got some jackets. I don't even have a tool. Holy shit.
No, Tom, I went over the bars.
Yeah, you definitely turned. I don't have a multi-tool, but.
I do.
Oh, it's going back.
Let's pick this thing up with a shock. I'm actually physically.
Yeah,
I can't tell you how much this fucking
these
hurts.
things hurt like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Holy
Yellow
shit.
jacket.
It's just
Yeah.
that? Really?
You want to ride so you don't have to think about it.
No, I'm pissed because like if I didn't even think about it and just let it go, I would not have ended up in the fucking.
No,
Growing pains.
I've been stung by yellow jackets. It's not ideal.
No, and if you go off the trail even a little bit, like into the green,
If you go off the trail, this happens.
just a little bit, I'm like,
Look at you in New Jersey, Jesus Christ.
No, dude, I saw the pipe and I just hit the brake and I went, woof. It's cool, let's go.
I guess we'll hit green zone. I'll take green.
Oh, let's jump on it quick.
Oh yeah. Oh.
So subtle though, like it almost looks like it's non-existent.
There's a cool trail over here.
That's the one we've been going with Jess. Drop.
bicycle call set. Oh, bicycle call set, yeah.
It's always the third run. I got it on GoPro too.
I know you did. The whole thing. You got to put that on the store video. We should cut it up and edit it.
I'll have Tony do it. I didn't even realize it. I had it on the camera until afterwards.
Shit, I forgot to prepare this headset.
It's a little bit of a tilt too. All right.